Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can test or check vibration not working on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on diagnostics. Then we go down and tap on vibration. Next, tap on the vibrate button. You should feel the phone vibrate as soon as you tap on the vibrate button. And next, on the next screen, it will ask you, did your phone vibrate normally? If it is yes, you can tap on yes. If no, you can tap on no. And then it says next, test the notification vibration. Tap the vibrate button below to check if your phone vibrates normally. So now it is vibrating. Okay, so here, if it's still not vibrating, you can tap on no, and then it says vibration check is required. So it says find solution by tapping on view related frequently asked questions. And that is how you can test for a vibration on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.